Welcome to Kids class. Animals and their homes. Duck lives in a pond. Ant lives in an anthill. Snake lives in a hole. Giraffe lives in a savanna. Panda lives in a bamboo forest. Deer lives in a grassland. Fish lives in a water. God lives in a pen. Cat lives in a cat house. Rat lives in a rat hole. Rabbit lives in a burrow. Lion lives in a den. Horse lives in a stable. Dog lives in a kennel.